everybody, it's Holly here from Hollkward Beauty on Instagram. If you guys haven't checked me out over there, make sure to check me out. I post every single day about makeup, beauty, style, and make sure to like and subscribe to me here on YouTube. I post every week with new beauty videos for you guys. So I always do makeup reviews on my page. Today I'm going to do a little tutorial for you guys. So I get a lot of requests or questions about contouring. So I want to do a little contouring video for you guys today. Easy, natural contour, but just a breakdown of the steps I do to create a easy glowy contour on my face. So I'm not even using many products today. It's going to be very simple. So I'm going to start off with a product I've been loving for contour. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand, Easy Contour in medium dark. So this is the darker shade. They have a lighter shade as well. I'm also going to use my Huda Beauty. I'm not sure what this is called because it wore off, but I think it's the sculpt brush. So I really love this brush for contouring because it's just the concentration and how these brushes feel is amazing for contour. I'm going to start with this product. This contour wand has product in a sponge applicator, and you just squeeze it and then it comes out. It's very concentrated, so I use this very sparingly on the face. So I just do a few dots right underneath my cheekbone, kind of like you're drawing a line to the upper part of your ear, just a few dots. I'm going to start with my cheekbone contour. I'm going to use the small end to kind of start buffing it into the skin. And I like to just kind of do upward little circle motions right up into my ear here. And you can see how intense that color is. And then I'm going to go in with a beauty sponge to kind of lighten it up a bit. And with a damp beauty sponge, I like to just go in and soften the edges to blend it into the skin a little bit more. And that is pretty good. So our cheekbones are contoured pretty good. I'm gonna go in and do kind of the perimeter of my face, same kind of thing. And I like to buff it in. I'll do the bigger side for this, just to kind of buff that product in. And then I'll use the beauty sponge to blend it in. But if you use the beauty sponge right away, I find it kind of takes the product off of your skin and then you have to reapply. So we don't really want that. And I'll go in with the beauty sponge and just lightly kind of buff that in. And then the last step of my contour routine is setting it with a bronzing powder, adding a little bronze to that contour shade. So I have a couple products I usually like using. I like KKW Beauty bronzing powders quite a bit. I think today I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Sun Stalk'r bronzer in Island Tang. I just kind of feel like it. So I'm going to go in. I'm going to use my Persona Beauty Cosmetics brush. I like this brush because it's kind of small and precise. It's got two sizes, which I like for contouring. So I'm going to go in with the bigger side and do my forehead. So I like to kind of get my brush very full of product and then start kind of lightly brushing and kind of swooping on inwards, kind of looking as I go where kind of sun would naturally hit me. And then for here, I like to go in with the smaller side and really kind of etch in that contour a little bit more, and then I'm gonna kind of blend up and out into the ear. and you can kind of see how much of a difference this powder setting makes on this side of my face compared to this one. It really gives that bronze look, like you've been in the sun, bronze contour situation. And we're gonna do the same thing on the side. Gorgeous. Glowy, bronzy look. And then the last thing I'm going to do is do a little nose contour. So sometimes I do cream and then powder nose contour, but I think today I'm just going to do nose contour in my powder. So I'm going to go in with that same Fenty Beauty Island Tang bronzer, definitely the small side of the Persona Cosmetics brush, and you know, go like that, the usual. And then I'm just gonna lightly kind of go down the bridge of my nose and kind of tuck it into that inner upper part of my nose, kind of where it goes into the contour into your eyebrow. Okay, and then same on the other side, and then I will kind of blend things out, smooth them out a little bit. I love nose contour, and so many people are scared of doing it, but like I always say, it's just makeup. You can wash it off. Like, there's nothing to lose by trying. And then I do like a little downward V kind of on the tip of my nose to make it kind of pop the upper corner, to make it look kind of thin and cinched in and lifted. Good. And then I'm going to kind of use the bigger side of the brush to diffuse those lines a little bit, to make it a little softer. So, and that is the nose contour is done, and my bronze contour, my whole video is done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little bronze contour tutorial. Like I said, make sure to check me out on Instagram at hollkward beauty. I'm over there every day. Make sure to like and subscribe to me here on YouTube. I post every week with new videos for you guys. This is my finished makeup look for today, and head over to hollkward beauty for more tutorials and more looks. I'll see you guys next time for another beauty video.